Hello everybody and welcome to another CLEMC mission hosted by the Chief Commodore. In today's Operation Bird of Prey, CLEMC mercenaries have been contracted by Sahrani Royal Army forces here in the south to paradrop behind enemy front lines, as in this area here, going up into this area of operations, and they're going to destroy the red triangle targets, which you can't see underneath all these fucking icons, but yeah. Just get 12 of them, I think. But, paradrop behind enemy lines, kill or capture enemy commander, blow up their vehicle, fuel, ammo caches, and then extract via Site Arkham here. And we'll see how it goes. These guys have already had an hour of preparation, and it's now mission start time. Whenever they jump in a plane and get themselves ready. Need to go back over to here though. This secret little recon team in the middle of the city. I think I should give them IR. Attach entire group with a IR grenade. There we go. Just make it a little fancy here.
User joined your channel.
What the? Get out of there. Go back to your patrol. It's not tea time in here. Alright. So once they get into the area of operations, they'll lose radio contact with command, go to a secure channel with a Sahrani SF guy named
check.
Say again?
Just in a radio check on 75.
Roger, confirmed. It looks like somebody's planning on setting a fob up on the very top.
Hey Wolf, one question. Swagger said you didn't know. When should I use 75 and when should I use 72.3?
Roger, once you are in the area of operations, use 72.3.
Roger, thank you.
I am going to go ahead and teleport myself over. Yeah. Just hide. Yes. I'm going to stealth on fire. Crouch. Okay, and unsurrender. I placed him as surrender in the fucking Eden editor so he wouldn't move anywhere. There we go. That's Jericho. Go. Go do things. Come on, do a boogaloo. Alright. There. Oh, it's Trap Daddy. I don't know how long this part's gonna take. You might want to skip through the video if you haven't already.
Langley.
Ooh. G36 with a 6.5. You know what? I'll just cut this here, make this part 1, and then we'll come back when they actually start.